Hello friends, today we are going to start chapter 4 reproductive health. Now we are going to start amniocentesis, diagnostic technique to detect chromosomal partner in the form of fetus used to detect the genetical disorder and often misused to determine the sex of the fetus. Sterilization, a permanent method of birth control through the surgery in male or female. And full form of IUCD, intrauterine contraceptive device. RCH, reproductive and child health care. STD, sexually transmitted disease. CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute. MMR, maternal mortality rate. MTP, medical transmission of pregnancy. VD, venereal disease. RTI, reproductive tract infection. PID, pelvic inflammatory disease. ART, associated reproductive techniques. IVF, in vitro fertilization. ZIFT, zygote intrafallopian transfer. Method of birth control, natural method, period absential and quantize the interruption and withdrawal, lactational amenorrhea. Barrier method, condoms, diaphragm and clavicle cup and belt. Intraventricular device. Non-meditation, lipase loops, copper releasing and hormone releasing, and oral contraceptive pills, savils, MLD. Small dose of either progesterone or progestin estrone combination. Injection, progesterone derives gives every 3 months. Implants, synthetic progesterone patch are implanted under the skin. Prevents pregnancy under to 4 year. Emergency pills must be taken within the 72-hour continuum. They have high concentration of progesterone and estrogen which prevent ovulation, that is I feel unwanted 72 each. Surgical sterilization, tuberculosis in female and vasectomy in male. Anti-medical treatment of pregnancy, voluntary or intracranial absorption performed to end pregnancy before the completion of full term. MTP is legalized to avoid unwanted pregnancies if the pregnancy is likely to produce a congenital malformed child. Pregnancy leads due to failure of the contraceptive or result of trapped. STD, name of disease, gonorrhea and causative agent bacterium. Symptom, painful urination, pain around the urethra. Syphilis bacterium, init fluid discharging, pain in genital tract. Genital herpes virus, raging ulcerous over external genitalia, vaginal discharge. Genital warts virus, warts over external genitalia, vagina and cervix. Infertility to produce a children inspired to unprotected sexual combination of couple in term to infertility. Release of infertility, physical congenital disease, drugs, immunological reaction. The couple can be associated to have a children through a certain space technology, commonly known as essential reproductive technology. In vitro fertilization outside the body of almost similar condition as that in body, followed by embryo transfer. Test tube baby program, ova from the wife donor female and sperm husband donor male and allowed to fuse under the simulated condition in the laboratory. ZIFT zygote intrafallopian transfer zygote or early embryo up to 8 blastomers is transferred into the fallopian tube. IUT intrauterine transfer embryo with more than 8 blastomers are transferred. Gamete intrafallopian transfer of ovum collected from a donor to a fallopian tube through or of another female who can reproduce ova but can provide suitable condition and fertilization and further development of fetus under the parturition. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection ICSI. The sperm is directly injected in the ovum to form an embryo in the laboratory and then the embryo transfer is carried out. Artificial insemination. The method of use is cases where infertility is due to the inability of the male partner is estimated the female or due to a very low sperm count. Injection in the method of semen collected from husband or healthy donor is uprooted introduced into the vagina or ureter. IUI intraurinary insemination. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share my